I haven't had the hiccups in a while, so I thought maybe I thought by maybe recording myself, they might go away, because you never know. Psychological factors that play in can help get rid of hiccups. So I'm going to keep talking to the camera. It's not working. I'm sorry, it's not working. But I'm still going to continue with my trial, or my hypothesis. Right, hypothesis. Then it becomes a theory. Or is it theory, then hypothesis? Well, anyway, it eventually becomes a fact. But I don't think I'm getting anywhere with that tonight. This is what it's like whenever Luke Newberger gets the hiccups. It doesn't happen very often, but when excuse me, whenever it does happen, it's interesting. You know, if I'm in public, people think I'm having a heart attack, and